very good morning to the students of class 10th. In today's class, we are going to discuss what are the types of salts. Okay. In our previous videos, in our previous lecture, we have studied what are salts. Okay. Now, salts are formed by the neutralization reaction between acids and base. The properties of salts, the chemical reactions, I have already discussed with you guys. Now, today's topic of class is the type of salts. Now, see students, the salts are categorized according to the three categories, as according to the pH of their aqueous solution, according to the pH of their aqueous solution. So, first one is your acidic salts. The pH is less than 7, okay, as I have discussed in the pH scale also. Second one is the basic salts, and third is the neutral salts. Now, what's the main difference between all them is that acidic salts are made by the combination of strong acids with a strong base, whereas the basic acids are made with a combination of strong base and weak acids. And on the other hand, your neutral salts are a combination of strong acid, strong base, and weak acid, weak base. Such types of combinations are there. So we will study these types of salts according to the definitions, according to the examples that are given in your books. See students, in your books, in your textbooks, there are acidic salts. What are acidic salts? These salts are formed by a combination of strong acids and weak bases. Okay, and they are having a pH of 7. Now, for example, student, we are having ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is an example of acidic salt. Why? Because it is made of strong acid. Now, which strong acid we are taking? We are taking a strong acid, Acyl, and a weak base like that of ammonium hydroxide. Okay, this is a weak base. Now, what will form? It will form the ammonium chloride salt. Here, we will get ammonium chloride salt, and water will be formed. So, see, student, this is an example of acidic salt, strong acid, and weak base combination. Similarly, we are having basic salt. See, basic salt like acetate, like sodium acetate. Okay. Now here the strong base is NaOH. NaOH is a strong base. I am using the derivation, students. Strong base is NaOH and weak acid is acetic acid, CH3COOH. What we will get? We will get see, if you take Na from here and this from here, you will get a salt of CH3COONA, sodium acetate salt, and water will be formed. Okay, students. So there are some examples like this, and one is the neutral salt. The neutral salts like see, sodium nitrate, sodium sulfate, sodium acetate. Okay, like sodium acetate, like this is the ammonium acetate. Okay, see, and sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, and some more examples are there. Okay, sodium sulfate, and some more examples are there. You can easily study from your books. Okay, students. So see, students. Okay, some like NaNO3, which is also an example of sodium nitrate. Okay, where both acids and base are either strong or both are weak. Okay, now see students, there are further definition of families of salt. Now what does this families of salt represent? See, the salts have some positive ions or some negative ions that said to belong to some family. They are belong to some group. They are according to the same group, same family. For example, see students, sodium carbonate and sodium sulfate. They are saying that sodium carbonate, okay, Na2CO3, है okay, and they are saying that sodium sulfate and sodium sulfate. They belong to a same family. Why? Because they have a common sodium ion. They have a sodium ion. They have a 2 Na positive charge in common. They have a 2 sodium ions in common. So that's why they belong to a same family of a salt. Similarly, calcium chloride and KCl, they also belong to the same family of, because they contain a negative chloride ion. See, calcium chloride and KCl, they belong same chloride ion, so they belong to the same family. Now see students, the family is based on the acids. The various families based on the acids from which they are derived. Number first one are students that chlorides. Now chlorides are obtained by the reaction of HCl with any base. Okay. So examples of types of salts. See, if you react your HCl with any base, say NaOH. NaOH is a base, you will get NaCl, okay? And water is formed. So this NaCl is a salt belonging to the chlorides family. It belongs to the family known as chlorides because it contains a negative ion of chlorine. See, similarly, some more examples like potassium chloride, ammonium chloride, aluminium chloride, and calcium chloride. Similarly, student, nitrates, they are formed by the combination reaction of nitric acid with any base. See, nitric acid you are taking a nitric acid with any base, for example NaOH. Okay, now what will you get? You will get sodium nitrate and water will be formed. Okay, now sodium nitrate belongs to the family of nitrate, students. Okay, students. Now there are sulfates also. Now sulfates are the families of salts that are by the reaction of sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid with any base, say NaOH we are taking. Now what will be the reaction? We will get a salt of sodium sulfate. Okay, Na2SO4 and water will be formed. Okay, so this is the salt that belongs to the sulfate. Similarly, we have a carbonate which belong to the reaction by a carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is like this, H2CO3 with a base. See what will we get? We will get a sodium carbonate and water will be formed. Okay, sodium bicarbonate मिलेगा और water will be formed. So see students, here these are some examples that are mentioned in your book. See, one is the nitrate, sodium nitrate with NaOH and HNO3, calcium nitrate with calcium hydroxide and HNO3, and like this some more examples like sulfate, carbonate, etc. that are given in your book. Now see students, family based on the basis which salts are prepared. Here the difference is that the base from which the salt is obtained, there is a same base, okay, from which we can obtain like this from the sodium salts. NaOH is the base. Okay, we will get these examples like sodium nitrate, sodium sulfate, and calcium salts, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide. We will get calcium carbonate, calcium chloride, and calcium sulfate. Similarly, you can go through this table, students, on your own. See, okay, that's it for today's class. In our next class, we will be dealing our next topic. Till then, you revise the further topic. Okay, students. So hope you enjoy the today's class of types of salts and the families of salts So students, go through these chapters in your book and revise the topic.